Hey boys and girls, so today is session 3 of lesson 25 and we're working on problems where we don't know the two numbers that we're putting together. We only know the answer. So let's go ahead and get started, boys and girls. So we have some addition problems. I want you to see, can you find two problems that equal the same answer? Can you find two problems that equal the same answer? Did you find two problems that can equal 5? Let's see if we can find two problems that equal 5. So we know that 4 add 1 equals 5. And here's another one that equals 5. Now, do they have the same two numbers that we're putting together? They don't, but they still equal the same answer. Can you find some that equal 4? See if we can find any problems that equal 4. We know 1 add 3 is 4. 0 add 4 is 4. And 2 add 2 is 4. So we actually had 3 problems that all equaled 4, and they all have different add-ins. And just because they have different add-ins doesn't mean that they can't have the same answer. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, you are going to need to have out some counters. So if you don't have counters, and it would be really awesome if you could find something that's 2 different colors to help you out a little bit. Something that's 2 different colors, and you need 8 of them. On here it says red and yellow. We're supposed to use those red and yellow coins, but I know you guys don't have those. But if you could find 2 things that are different colors, you're going to need 8 of them. Grab those and then come back. All right, boys and girls, do you have your 8 counters? Now what I want you to do, I want you to put your 8 counters, you should have 2 different colors, put them in your hands, shake them up, and let them spill. You're going to tell me how many of one color and how many of the other. So I put mine in my hands, I let them spill, and I'm going to show you what I had. I had 5 red and 3 yellow. 5 add 3 equals 8. I wonder how many you had. Can you do it again? Put them back in your hands. Shake them up, let them spill. Can you write your answers over here? This time I had 4. And how many more do you think I had? 4. So I had 2 different ways to make 8. Did you have 2 different ways, or did they come out the same? Nice job, boys and girls. Let's head to our next page. Our page should look like this. So we're going to be looking at these flowers. Let's have our crayons out, because we want to color some pink and some blue. So I have 5. I'm going to color some pink. Now my coloring's not very great. It's kind of hard to color on here. And some blue. So now I need to write how many pinks and how many blues. So 5 equals 3 pinks and 2 blues. Let's see, now we need to do a different way. I think I'm going to do 1 pink this time. And 4 blues. So 5 equals 1 add 4. Boys and girls, do these both equal 5? I have 5 flowers in both groups. However, the groups have different add-ins. Even though they equal 5, I have different numbers of each color. All right, boys and girls, now we're down here on our fish. So we're going to have some green and some yellow fish. So get out your crayons and in those pictures, color some green and some yellow, and then write your number sentences. When you're all done, stop and check with me. Hey boys and girls, did you get those fish all colored and did you get your number sentences written? So I colored my fish, but I thought you can help me write my number sentences. So let's look in my first picture. How many green fish do I have? 4. How many yellow fish do I have? 3. So 7 equals 4 plus 3. Let's look at my next one. How many green fish do I have? 6. How many yellow fish? 1. That still equals 7. So even though my add-ins are different, my answer is still 7. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, now you are going to find your workbook pages. So you have this page and this page. And you're going to do just what we did. So you're going to do the balloons. You're going to color some one color, some the other color, and then write down your number sentence. Boys and girls, you have those 2 pages to do. Can you complete those and then have somebody at your house check them for me? Awesome job. Have a great day.